Boy, I moved the camera again. I accidentally hit the button. I hope you just saw everything I did. I took that bit that's almost no good anymore, and I took that and I kind of reamed out, used that to ream out the wood a little bit, clean up the edge here. Felt it with my fingers. There's just a little burr over there, not bad. Okay, now we're gonna see. I haven't closed it yet. Close it now, and we'll see how well it works. Nope, it's got to go down some more. Dabbity nabbit. See, it's closed just by lifting up on it a little bit. I can get it latched. And I could take a pencil and I could mark the edge of the strike plate if I want, but I can see that it's just below that mark. And I might actually have to dig it down a little bit deeper with the big bit. See, the bottom is about right there, and the strike, the latch goes down just a hair further. It's almost about there, and I see that this is kind of coming up at an angle, so I still have to work on this a little bit from here over. And I'm going to try the big, rasp again to hit right over on that edge. And if that doesn't work, I may have to get my drill bit, my actual wood drill bit, drive it in at an angle and just kind of clean that up. And I might have to get a bigger drill bit so I don't break this one. I've snapped off a few doing it that way. See, it's easier cutting if I go up at an angle. Then I'm only working on half of this metal. This is about 1/16 of an inch thick. I'm cutting off half of the metal, and then when I push back down, then I'm cutting the other half, so I'm not just doing it straight. It makes it a little bit easier. That's better. I think I might have to go a little bit more. Usually I try to get it just a hair lower, because if this door ever sags, the door will sag and will go down, and then the latch will start hitting again. So when you think you're all done, you think, okay, it's fine. 6 months later, your door starts doing the same thing. That's because you have to rasp it some more because the door has sagged a little bit. But I've already kind of fixed the sag on this door, so I'm good that way too. So once I get it, I'm gonna probably just ream it out a little bit more anyways, just for safekeeping. Clean up the edge. It's looking good. I think I'm going to hit just this side a little bit. Just in case. I guess I can use the tip this way too. Just cleaning off the burrs. That looks good. Okay, back we go again. See? Just back and forth, little by little. You'll get it. I'm gonna say it's gonna last. What do you think? Look at that. Now it's going in, but as I push down on the handle, I can tell it's not detracting until about there. Then I can feel it. I can feel it. So that tells me this is going out. It's going into the hole a little bit, but not enough yet. So it's still hitting something, even though I think it's closed and it's working fine. It's not. The door is not opening. See, I can have it like that, and I can't open the door yet. I can have it down that far. I still can't open the door. Right there opens the door, see? But when I just push this, just barely, that's supposed to open the door, see? So that tells me that I'm almost there, but I've got to do it a little bit more inside. I got to look at that a little bit, and I think it's just hitting in there. Okay, I'm going to try my, I'm just putting in my 1/8 inch bit. I'm going to clean up the wood a little bit on the inside right in there. I'm just using the edge of my threads on the drill bit, not the tip as much. You can see it's working. And I think the latch is, the wood is deep enough in there. I'm measuring. My latch is about, sticks in about 1/2 inch, and it looks like I'm in there all the way. If anything, maybe that little bit right in there has got to come off. And I can use this drill bit for that. You can see I pushed in a little bit, and there's actually black showing. That's the back side of the wood. And lots of times you'll see that indoors. Did you see what happened there? I hit the little, shoot. I hit the tab. Where's my hammer? Why, I'm not, oh, here it is. That's to adjust the door. Okay, back we go again. I didn't think I would be spending this much time on this, and I'm going to tap this tab back, because the tab looks like it's coming out at a slight angle. And I've told you before, don't do it with hitting it with the screwdriver here, because it might hit the edge of that. But this tab has an actual groove in it. Let's get rid of that, shall we? Okay. And that could be holding it, because this door hasn't been in here. So I think that's what's happening. This tab on the strike plate is going at an angle which gives me a little bit less room. And you can adjust that when your door is chattering. Then you adjust the tab, you tilt it a little bit, and that brings up the the slack. You know what? I think that's okay. We'll see. That could be what was causing it. I'm still not 100% happy with it. Boy, work in progress here. Let's just, I'm gonna get that tab moved back, and I don't want to whack and hit that. I can do it this way. Well, you're getting the full thing here. Okay. See the tab? You see how it's coming out? You can see it, how it's coming at an angle.